Hello, so guys, I decided to try this Airtel 5G router. The model number is ZLT X25 Max 2 model, and I know you have all seen the unboxing and the reviews of this router, but in this video I'm going to show you how to change the Wi-Fi name and the password of this masterpiece right here. So I'm connected around 5G enabled area, so my router works perfectly fine for me. So you can see my Max 2 has only 2 Ethernet ports, and it's NFC enabled. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the Wi-Fi name of this router and the password and the login details of this masterpiece. So when you flip it upside down, you will see the Wi-Fi SSIDs, the 2.4 gigahertz SSID and the 5 gigahertz SSID, and their Wi-Fi, their default Wi-Fi key. That's the password of the Wi-Fi. And to the right, you'll see the device IP address and the username, the password to log in to this device. And you can see the power button here and a slot for SIM card. Okay, I normally don't use the power button. So I'm going to show you how you can change the two option right away. So you can see our IP was 192.168.1.1, and that's the IP you're going to type in our browser. So we type here 192.168.1.1, enter. And okay, I'm using the device right now, so I already have an account. So I'm just going to click log in, and you can see I've already changed my username and my password. I click login, and now I'm inside my device. So I'm going to go all the way to directly to Wi-Fi setting for now, and right here where there is SSID, this is where you're going to change your Wi-Fi name, your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi setting. That's where you can change your Wi-Fi name, and this is where you can change your Wi-Fi password. Remember to put a good password, and this is your Wi-Fi QR code for those who need it. So you can scan, your friend can scan, or you can scan for easier access to your Wi-Fi. And let's again go to the 5G 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi settings, and right here you can at SSID you can change your SSID name or your Wi-Fi name and your password right here. You can change your password right here, and you can just save this Wi-Fi QR code for easier login. Then click save. Now after that, we want now to set the device login. And to set the device login, we will go on management right here, and you can see where you can put the old password, which was admin, and set your new password and confirm your new password, and click OK. So that's all about this video, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing. Thank you.